Stop by and take a look at the 2009 Matrix. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine and comes with a 4-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 130,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, power mirrors, fog lights, wheel covers, outside temperature gauge, rear window wiper. Inside you'll find auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, cruise control, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows, power steering, side airbag system, dual airbags, vanity mirrors. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.